Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So, yeah, it's like a heat wave today. It's like 50 something right now. It's nice. We're on our way to work. It's about 6:10. I was tired. I overslept a little bit, but I'm on my way. So, luckily I'm not one of those people that's like a zombie when they wake up, you know. I'm like, I'm up. That's it. So, yeah. Which my whole family finds annoying because they're like, man, how can you just be awake? I'm like, I don't know, I am. So, but yeah, it's a little overcast today. I think it's not supposed to rain until next Saturday, so that's good. Man, you guys are flying up on my ass. Anywho, so yeah, it's supposed to be nice, and hopefully, I'm thinking maybe this weekend or this week, I gotta find the inserts to my bars, because I mean my bar and mirrors. There we go. Because shit. See, these bar and mirrors that I got, they have, you know, they're meant to compress into the handlebars, right? So 50. So the thing is that on these, the ground bars are actually threaded 6mm for 6mm bolts, and on these, so what I did is, you know, the screw that it came with, I was just able to screw it right into the threaded insert on the Grom handlebars. But so there's a piece there's two pieces to the inside piece. Is one's a sleeve kind of, and the other's threaded, and the one that's threaded goes into the sleeve, and when you crank on the screw on the Jesus, come on. When you crank on the screw, it kind of pulls the other piece into the other piece and spreads it apart, right? That's how it grips inside the bar. So I'm missing the one piece that goes inside the other piece, the part with the threads on it. So I feel like I wouldn't have thrown those away. I'm kind of like that. I don't really throw anything away like that. You know, I'll just keep throwing it into a box. So I have a feeling like I found the inner piece, half of the inner pieces in my in the cup holder of my car. You know, it's like when I was working on the bike or something, and I just kind of tossed the pieces, you know, in a particular spot. But it could be that the other pieces could be with the mirror box. I don't know. It's here. If it's not here, then, you know, I may have to do something else. I'm not exactly sure what at this moment, but I don't really want to buy a new set of mirrors. Although the ones I got for Trevor, I kind of got a little bit more than this, but I do like these are small and they have the blue tint to them. His are just a little bit bigger, and they're not tinted. But I kind of like that my mirrors are tinted. I don't know. I'm gonna look around and see what I can find. Hopefully, you know, I'm gonna clean out my car this week. I think is what I'm gonna do. I'll go out the trunk, and I need to put away all my sockets. You know, I just hadn't done that. I just threw them in the trunk. I was like, well, next time I need them, I know exactly where everything's at. I don't really know where everything's at, but I know they're in boxes. So, oh man, it's kind of shitty coming a little later. You see, only 15-20 minutes later, and you got to deal with this kind of traffic. That's why I like going early when no one's here. Grip it and grip it. So, yeah, obviously you guys can see I got my final stickers on there. My hidden Mando. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Big shout out to my buddy in Cali for that. I really appreciate that. It's pretty neat. It turned out great with the using the clear packing tape to hold this in place. That was the hot ticket. So other than that, let's see, what's today? Today is Monday, April 25th, I think. The weeks and days are just flying by, everybody, you know. I just had you want to talk about highway robbery. Just thinking about the date. I had to renew my car's registration. What a fucking scam in Illinois. It's gotten ridiculous. I just, paid online, and this shit was $161 or $151, whatever. That's too fucking much. And then, of course, if you use, the web, then they're like, oh, here's a $3 convenience fee. Who's it convenient for? It's certainly convenient for me. I mean, that's bullshit. I mean, everybody and their brother uses, you can use online to pay people with, and they don't charge you. It's just another scam. I mean, this whole place is corrupt, So, but yeah, and then I heard that motorcycles are also going up. I think the reg on this thing is due sometime in July, maybe. I forget. It's kind of basically a year from whenever I bought it, right? So, whenever I registered it. Jesus. Yeah, only coming through here this late was not good. Anyway, so I think just 2-3 more weeks and Trevor will have his Navi. They said the middle of May. I mean, I know that's just a fuck. I know that's just a guesstimate, but fucking truck motherfuckers. Trust these guys. And these guys tear up this road right here. It's awful. Alright. Let's get myself in a... There we go. Morning. Alright, we'll see you later. So, yeah, this Navi should be coming soon. And then, I did do a second video for him. It was his second ride, this time after we got the microphone installed in his helmet. So you guys should go check that out. It's just him riding around. He's really new to, vlogging of any kind. So I told him just, keep talking. And he did that throughout the video, but, it could be a little bit more, I suppose. Ooh, my eyes watering. So, but yeah, maybe today I'll upload that to his channel. I finished it, I don't know, earlier in the week. So, yeah, you guys should go check that out. It's neat to watch him ride, and just, it's cool. Like from the outside, I'm seeing it as an outside perspective. He's riding, and I'm watching him do all the right things. He's a good kid. He follows all the rules, and just you can tell he takes driving very seriously, which is good because it is pretty serious. He doesn't. He's not a typical kid. He doesn't screw around, do dumb stuff. So that's good. But I like him doing it that way. At least now I can watch him while he's riding, and I can see the decisions that he's making and the things that he's doing. And so far, I haven't seen anything. I mean, I've had him ride with me. And don't really have him ride too much by himself, but you know, it is good to see how he does by himself, you know, and it gives me an idea, you know, I mean, what do you do when no one else is looking? You know, are you doing wheelies? Are you doing crazy shit? Or are you just, you know, having a good time and following the rules? I mean, I don't mind bending some rules, but there's just some that shouldn't be bent or broken. So, but, yeah, so it's pretty good. So we'll be, I'll be uploading that. So, but, well, we're here, so I'll see you guys on the next one, alright? Easy.